this event 3 years ago, my thoughts were, how the heck are we going to do this? But we had a lot of ingenuity, a lot of good spirit, a lot of teens and adults ready and committed to making Lynn a safe place for LGBT youth. A lot of people feel like left out because a lot of people are isolated. They might not know other LGBT students or adults even. Like, I didn't know any non-binary adults until I went to college. And a lot of people are unfortunately kind of abandoned by their families in that respect. So it's important that they have a community where they feel safe and welcome and like they can have a support network and friends.
There's a lot of like mental like health that comes along with it, which is why we brought like a lot of like mental health resources from the community, and also like, you know, therapy dogs, because like there's a lot of like, you know, mental stability that comes with like, you know, coming out and stuff like that.
It's amazing to have this at a church because a lot of what we hear on the news is churches like being raw, you can't have LGBT rights, you like gay is a sin, being trans is a sin. Well, that's not the case. It's like not even really a thing in the Bible.
I think it's incredibly important, especially in Massachusetts where conversion therapy is still legal and so much of that is about like steeped in like Christian theology, but like I am like a gay Christian woman who like does feel is so fully able to like be both of those things.
The fact that it's at a church too, it kind of like, you know, like it kind of like makes a statement that even a church which kind of, you know, has a history of not being all the way inclusive, we're like still creating like that, you know, that home, and we still like, you know, we're giving people that space to like open up. It's very important because a lot of times it's just like there's a lot of like baggage that comes along with like, you know, like staying in the closet and like not fully accepting like your identity because of like what others say about you.
It makes me feel really grateful and really thankful, and we wouldn't be doing a good job if the event wasn't representative of the community, and there are LGBT people in Lynn, and there always will be, and this event's for them and for us. I think these events are really important, especially for the kids, to feel self-confident and to feel like they can fully be themselves, and the community is always better when people can be who they are.
You know, 50 years ago we wouldn't be able to do this, you know, and the progress we've had is amazing. The progress we're going to make is amazing. This is a part of progress. This is the first steps into making Lynn a more inclusive place for everybody. And it's beautiful to see everyone, no matter what their gender, no matter what their sexuality, no matter what their religion or race, to come here together and have a good time and support people.